Azulait Maswithma, and welcome back to your channel Learn Therifith, to another exciting lesson where we dive into our culture, language, and everything that connects us with our roots. If you're new here, my name is Ayub and I am making videos where I teach Therifith language in an easy way and step by step. As you saw in the title, this video will be about one of the most essential verbs in the world, the verb to be. Whether you are introducing yourself or describing something in the present, the past, or the future, the verb to be is your best friend. But before we jump into today's topic, I have some exciting news for you. I finally created a special Riffian website, and it's packed with resources designed just for you. Whether you are here to learn the language, discover our history, or explore our culture, you'll find everything neatly organized, starting with these videos in order so you'll never miss a step. Oh, and that's not all. I am also working with some of my amazing friends on writing some articles that goes deeper into our traditions, culture, music, language, etc. In general, things that makes us proud to be Riffian. And here's the fun part. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen the cool t-shirts and hoodies I've designed. They're inspired by our heritage and made for anyone who wants to carry a piece of their roots with them wherever they go. So, if you're interested in owning one, or maybe few, check them out. Not only you will have something meaningful to wear, but you'll also help us building this project and building this channel. Your support means the world to me and helps us creating this content that makes us celebrate who we are. Alright, ready to join us in this lesson? We'll make it fun and simple. Just bring your ركسوتي, your pen and paper, and join us in this lesson. أول حاجة نبدأ. Okay, so let's start with the present tense. The verb to be, it doesn't follow the usual format. And what is exceptional in our Riffian language is that we have three forms of this verb to be. The first two forms are describing a situation or describing something. And the third form is attributing something. So for the first two forms that are describing something or describing us or describing a group, whatever, here's how it looks in the present tense. I am nish jir, you are shik thjid if it's a male, or shim thjid if it's a female. He is nitta ija, she is nitteth thja. We are nishnin nja, they are nithnin jan if it's a group of males, and nithnin jant if it's a group of females. You are hinniw thjim if it's a group of males, and hinnint thjint if it's a group of females. They are nithnin jan if it's a group of male, and nithnin jant if it's a group of female. The other form of the verb to be is like follows. I am nish aqay, you are shik aqash if it's a male, and shim aqashim if it's a female. He is nitta aqath, she is nittath aqat. We are nishnin aqanagh, you are hinniw aqashkum if it's a male, and hinnint aqashkhint if it's a female. They are nithnin aqathin if they are males, nithnint aqathint if they are females. We notice one weird thing in the Rif. The verb to be in present tense is shortened sometimes to just the pronoun. Meaning, for example, if we want to say nish aqay fror, I am out, we say nish fror. So we are shortening it to only the pronoun nish and the verb fror instead of nish aqay, the verb to be nish aqay fror. I am out. But for educational matters, it's important for you to use the verb to be in its full form in your sentences. It's very important. Here is the third exception. If the verb to be is followed by an attribute, meaning like a name, position, a gender, etc., an attribute, the verb to be in its present tense will be like follows. I am nish id if I am a male, and nish if I am a female. I will give you an example. Nish dhahamush. I am a boy. Nish dhahamush. Nish tahamush. I am a girl. Nish tahamush. You are. Shik id if we are speaking about a male. Shim it if we are speaking about female. Shik dhahamush. Shim tahamush. We are. Nishnin id. Nishnin dhihamushon or nishnin diagazin. And nishnin it if we are females. Nishnin tihamushin or nishnin timgarin. You are. Hinniu id if we are speaking about males. Hinnint خنينت تمغارين. They are نثنين ذياجزن نثنين ذياجزن for example, and نثنين تمغارين نثنين ت. Let's move to the examples. I am a student. I am a male and I am a student. In Riffian language is nish dhamhda. Amhda is a student. Nish dhamhda. I am a student. We are Riffians. If we don't know the gender, we talk as if we talk to males. Nishnin dhi Riffian. Okay? We are Riffians. What if the group is a female group? We will say Nishnin ti Riffian. Nishnin ti Riffian. I am the first. Nish dhemzgaru. If a boy is talking, he will say Nish dhemzgaru. Amzgaru is the first. Nish dhemzgaru. What if a girl is talking? She will say Nish temzgarut. Did you notice something? The adjective must agree in gender and number with the subject. Dhemzgaru, temzgarut. Dhamzian, tamzian. Dhaqudat, taqudat. Here's a tip. Always think about the gender and also the number of people you're talking to or talking about before choosing the adjective forms. Let's have an example. Nish aqay fahad. Shik aqashik fahad. Shim aqashim fahad. Nittath aqat fah. Nitta aqathifah. Nishnin aqanagn fah. Kinniu aqashkum faham. Kinnint aqashkint fahant. Nithnin aqathin fahant. Nithnint aqathint fahant. So this is a quick example of how we conjugate the verb to be in the present tense. Exercise time. Yes, I've added exercises in order for you to practice. It is important to practice. I am teaching. In Riffian language, nish aqay sghorir. Nish aqay sghorir. They are my brothers. So we are talking about males and they are plural. In Riffian, we say nithnin dhaythma. Nithnin dhaythma. And here it is an attribute because I am attributing them to me. You are students, plural and masculine, because I don't know your gender. I will speak to you as if you are all males. So this sentence will be in Riffian hinniu dhimhda. They are my friends, plural and masculine. Nithnin dhim dukarinu. What if I am talking about females? Nithnin tim dukar inu. They are here, plural, masculine. Nithnin aqathin dha. For plural, feminine. Nithnin aqathint dha. Second exercise. Alright, let's put this knowledge into action. I want you to write 2 sentences. The first one is describing yourself. Min ta'nid shik or min ta'nid shim. The second one will be you attributing something to you or to someone or to a group, okay? Write 2 sentences, put them in the comment below the video. So, أيثم سويثما, you have taken a big step into learning or mastering the verb to be in Riffian language. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and visit our website learntherifith.com. And of course, if you're encouraging us to make more of these videos, you will be mentioned in this video as a contributor and also in the website. Until the next video, أزولكم.
يا ليلى